Dear esteemed members of the Bahrain Noble Lady Eagles Club, good evening for everyone. Good evening mga kuya and ate.
Good evening po.
I am deeply honored and humbled to accept the role of new president of the Bahrain Noble Lady Eagles Club. And by this time, I want to express my wholeheartedly and gratitude for the trust that you have given to me. As your Lady President, I am committed not only to lead with integrity and compassion, but also to strengthen the unity and purpose of our beloved club. As for you know, our dear Kuya NP Arnold and Kuya Dino has always been a source of inspiration and guidance. As for new President, I promise to continue supporting his vision and initiatives, and to work hand in hand in every project that uplifts our community, not even for the position of being a Lady Eagle. Together, we can achieve more than we imagine. Our mission remains clear: to serve with heart, to empower those around us, and to bring meaningful impact to the community we cherish. I invite each of you to join me in this journey of service, camaraderie, and excellence. Kuya and ate, not just as members, but as a family committed to the betterment of our community and the legacy of the Lady Eagles Club. I want to leave you something. I didn't join the Eagle to compete and not to brag, but to join because of the group's goal and advocacy. Good leadership shows goodness, humility, not the thoughts of separation. Good leadership does not think of breaking us, breaking the organizations, and good leadership is not a burden, but is willing to support whatever really and not for self-interest. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at sa pagkakataong magsilbi. With a heartfelt gratitude and dedication, mabuhay ang Bahrain Noble Lady Eagles Club! Mabuhay ang Manila!
Mabuhay!
Congratulations, Ate Vance, for the wonderful speech. And now, may I call on Kuya Dino Lanipa for the acceptance of speech.
Good evening, Kuya and Ate, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Dear distinct members of Bahrain Noble, Bahrain Noble, Heed Bahrain Noble Eagles Club, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi. Pasensya na po.
Ayaw niya gamitin. Ayaw niya gamitin.
I deeply honored and humbled
Kape na lang.
to formally accept the position of a club president at Heed Bahrain Noble Eagles Club. With profound gratitude,
Pili ko, Bi.
I thank you for the trust, confidence, and the support you have entrusted to me. As embrace this responsibility, I pledge to lead with integrity, unity, and dedication, guided the care or principles of our beloved organization. Together, we will continue to spread our bond and strong brotherhood, advance our community service, and uphold the values and define the fraternal order of Eagles. I sincere respect, appreciation to our national and regional leaders for their unwavering guidance and leadership. Your examples inspired to serve with purpose and position. To all my fellow kuyas and ate, thank you for encouraging and for standing with me. I'm looking forward working closely with each of you as I soar high and achieve more meaningful projects for our club and community. Once again, thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga kuya ate. This is a privilege and responsibility. Mabuhay ang HID Bahrain Noble Eagles Club. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila.
Thank you very much for your very inspiring acceptance message. May I call on the charter president, Kuya Nino, in the center hall, and Ate Evangeline Moore for the turnover of gold and gavel. Turnover of gold and gavel to be led by our national president, Kuya Arnold Landayan. With may I call on the secretaries of the club president, please be with your president. Secretary of Lady Eagle, please. Secretary of Lady Eagle, please come forward. No secretary, president.
Ate Jen, gusto ka kape? Na ano yung daghang kape ni isang truck. Apili kong isa day. Isa pa. Salamat, guwapa, Brazilian.
Brazilian mo yung boss. Pinalangga kasi yung amo ay gihahak ay. Swerte kayo siya.
Kuya Dino Ganipa, I wholeheartedly turn over this going given, faithfully yield unto you the authority, leadership, and responsibility to govern the HID Bahrain Noble Eagles Club for the Eagle Year 2026.
I wholeheartedly accept this gong and gavel as symbol of my authority, leadership, responsibility as a club president
Pangalan ni Ate Vance?
of the Philippine
Evangeline.
Eagles
Evangeline.
for
Pangalan ni pa?
the
Oo, lagi pa na.
Eagle Year 2026.
Ate Evangeline Ganipa, I wholeheartedly turn over this going given, faithfully yield unto you the authority, leadership, and responsibility to govern the Bahrain Noble Lady Eagles Club for the Eagle Year 2026.
I hereby wholeheartedly accept this gong and gabel as symbol of my authority, leadership, and responsibility as club president of the Bahrain Noble Lady Eagles Club for the Eagle Year 2026.
Picturean po panagsa. Picturean po do ganahan. Isa pa daw. Nakaapas pa ko.
Congratulations again, Kuya Dino Laniba and Ate Vance. Now, when we proceed for the fraternal inspirational message, may we call on Eagle Mark A. Gavilan, Governor, Central Business Region.
Magandang gabi po mga kuya natin and all national officers. Mga kuya, congratulations po. Salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin sa Bahrain. Ate Vance, Kuya Charter President Kuya Dino, Kuya Go Emilio, Kuya Go Ruben, thank you very much. Ako po ay nasisiyahan dahil may bagong chartered na naitayo na naman dito sa ating Bahrain. Sana po mga kuya, tayo nga po yung mga bagong indak ng mga kuya. Congratulations po sa inyo mga kuya. Ang pagiging agila ay isang responsibilidad. Sana gawin po natin ang lumipad na mataas. Ano po ba ang layunin ng isang agila, mga kuya? Matanong lang po namin kayo. Tumulong at nakatulong. Ang ating layunin po ay tumulong. Mga kuya, isa lang po ang sasabihin ko sa inyo lahat. Tayo bilang isang agila, may mga bagyo tayo nasasalunga, pwede na po kayo mo po. Mga ate, pwede ba tumayo mga ate natin? Na magaling ng ating ng Bahrain. Yan. Congratulations po sa inyo lahat mga ate. Salamat po mga ate sa pagtulong sa ating mga kuya. Mga kuya, irespeto po natin mga ate natin. Kasi kung wala ang ating naibahay, baka wala tayong ilaw. Sila po ang